asuntosakeyhtiö Lumpeen Kukka.
What's the address again?
Lummetie 8.
Yeah, let's go Valmet 8 Stekis. We have lots of Stekis A here. It's today on the 21st of May 2024. Also, Tikkurila, Vantaa, Vantaa Sports Lummetie, Finland, with 5 floors. Has this rare button that is the dimmed light on it.
Yeah.
So this is the better one of these two. Simple speed 1 and the 0404. Capacity is 4 bursts, so 325 grams. It's rare, yeah.
Yeah.
Should have been more common, but it was too rare. As I say, it's still working. I love the sounds on this fan here.
Same here.
It's also dimmed.
Yeah.
That's working also.
Yeah.
Amazing. I love these pictures.
Same here.
Here's yellow light also. I love it.
Yeah. Inspected by lift control Finland and maintained by Otis, so now describe this.
Thank you very much for watching. You can also watch it later, but this is the better one.
Yeah. That's